So many of you have been asking me to make you another shampoo, and I finally have the time, and today I'm excited because I am making you a shampoo using the aloe vera plant. So I chose to do a shampoo with aloe vera because so many of us, our hair is dry. And it's dry for different reasons. Our hair is dry, some because of the environment we live in. You may live in a town where it's humid. Your hair could be dry because of the hair products you're using in your hair, chemicals, relaxers, different things, and even illness. I mean, you may have a deficiency of a mineral or nutrient, and that will also cause your hair to become dry. So the aloe vera plant is a plant that hydrates the hair. It gives the hair amazing moisture and amazing hydration that you couldn't get anywhere else. It's just a wonderful, wonderful plant. And using it as a shampoo is a great way to quickly restore that moisture back into your hair. Now, aloe vera is a plant that's been around for centuries, and they've been using it for healing properties. It has so many amazing healing properties, especially for the hair. One, it makes the hair very healthy, and it can give the hair such an amazing natural shine without you having to put any oils or anything in it. Aloe vera helps to strengthen your hair. If your hair is damaged, then you want to use the aloe vera plant to help restore the health back in your hair. It contains vitamin A, it contains vitamin E, it contains vitamin C, B12, folic acid, and that's just a few of the nutrients that comes in aloe vera. There are over 50 nutrients that this plant actually has. Aloe vera can stop hair loss. Aloe vera works wonderful if you have an itchy, dry scalp. It controls dandruff, and I mean excessive dandruff. So this shampoo can do so much for your hair. Make it grow, stop hair loss. I can go on and on and on. But I'm really excited because you can find aloe vera shampoos in the store, but many times there are compromising ingredients in them, like there may be propylene glycol, which is actually antifreeze, or there may be other ingredients that they're kind of, I would say, challenging. So if you're gonna make your own shampoo, you know that everything in that shampoo is natural. So come with me while I show you how to make this shampoo. So I am using aloe vera because it has over 75 nutrients in it. It promotes hair growth, it stimulates blood circulation, it's wonderful for hydration, and it makes the best shampoo for natural hair. I'm using pure Castile soap because it's organic, it works great for a sensitive scalp, it's naturally sourced from olive oil, and it has antibacterial properties. Normally I use Manuka honey, but I'm using a honey from a local beehive, and honey is hydrating for the hair. I'm also using sweet almond oil because it's rich in vitamin A, B, and E, and it penetrates down into the hair shaft. We're also going to be using lavender, and that's because it's antimicrobial and it smells wonderful. Now, when you make your own products, you always have to have an antimicrobial formula because you want to make sure that no bacteria or fungus can get in. Now, watch how we cut it down. I cut the sides, and then we're going to cut it in the middle. And when I cut it in the middle, it makes it so much easier. There you see all that delicious aloe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in the long way, and then I'm going to cut it into squares. This is going to make it easier for you to transport it because normally it's so slippery, it's hard to get out. Most people use a spoon and they're there all day. This makes it so much easier for you. So I'm going to liquefy the aloe before I put all my other ingredients in. So we're going to just liquefy it with your blender. And then after it becomes liquefied, I'm going to put it in a bowl, and then I'm going to add all my ingredients. So I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sweet almond oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lavender, and then with 1 cup of Castile soap. We're going to mix it up. Now I'm ready to put it in my BPA-free bottle. And then after I pour it into my bottle, I actually have a squeeze top for this. Now, when you're using a natural shampoo, it's not going to give you a lot of suds. As you see, it's not sudsy. What causes suds in your shampoo is sodium lauryl sulfate, and that's in 95% of your shampoos. Sodium lauryl sulfate is a surfactant, and it actually strips your hair. So this is why it's so wonderful to use and make your own shampoo. So you see the ingredients, it's really easy, it's really simple. You just want to get yourself a natural plant. You can actually buy an aloe vera gel, but using the natural plant in its purest form, you can't get no better than that. So now I want you to watch as I transform. I have a model, and I'm going to use the shampoo on her hair. I want you to see how amazing this shampoo transforms her hair. So let's go. So April, tell me, are you having any problems with your hair?
Yes, my hair's dry, frizzy. Even when I wash it, it tends to tangle up into like a bird's kind of nest. It frizzes up and then it just knots, what I consider knots up right in the middle of my head. I wash it about twice a week. Brushing is absolutely horrible. Maybe the color, but it's just, I don't know how to manage it at this point, and I don't know what else to do.
So is it shedding also, or you're not?
Not as badly as it used to, but it does still shed.
That's a yes or no answer. So
oh.
That means yes.
It does a little, yes. It used to be really bad.
Okay.
It used to be really bad. Like every time I'd brush, I'd get tons
Is that
of hair.
prior to coloring?
Even before I colored, yes.
Okay. So here's a couple of things I want to share with you. That dry scalp that you're dealing with, that itchiness, even that hair going into a bird's nest, that actually is your body giving you a sign that you're dealing with some type of nutritional or vitamin deficiency. The body talks to us, the body tells us when things are wrong. And normally, like dry skin, a rash, different things, those are signs that something's going on. So because you're dealing with that dry scalp, that's likely you probably have too much calcium in your hair, and that's what your body is trying to tell you. You say your hair goes into a bird's nest. That means when you wet it down, it just tangles. Usually when our hair tangles like that, that's usually meaning that we have a vitamin B12 deficiency. So you're dealing with some type of vitamin and nutritional deficiencies. Your body's trying to tell you, it's trying to tell you through your hair, it's trying to tell you through your skin, but most people, they don't know that. This is why a lot of times from the things that I do, I always want to bring in and make people understand that your internal health has a lot to do with your external health. And the way God made us, our hair, as he says, is our crowning glory. This is why when things go wrong, we get the symptoms through our hair, because God knows we pay attention to that hair. So it's like, if you knew that your body needed this because your hair is looking like that, then you'd be able to take care of both your hair and your health. One other thing I want to share with you is the other benefit for aloe vera is that it restores the pH balance in your hair because it has a low pH. And Castile soap has a pH level of about 9. So using aloe vera will help bring the pH level back down in your hair.
I'm actually amazed that I can run my fingers through it, because when I blow dry it at home, it takes me about 15 to 20 minutes just to get the blow dry, and even after that my hair feels like string or hay. Hay is a better word.
Your hair was blow dried within 7 minutes.
Yes, and I'm amazed. I'm not gonna lie, because I can't do this when I do it myself. I can't do this. I can't stop.
Really?
Yeah, I can never do this.
So your hair is soft.
Tell me
how does your hair feel to you?
It doesn't feel flat.
Okay.
It feels like it's got some life to it.
Shake it. Let's see what you got.
Even with the color, it feels like it has life. When I do it, it doesn't hang like this.
Okay.
It usually turns into like this weird stringy fro-like situation, and it's usually all over.
Wow.
Like this.
Okay.
So this is amazing.
So we did this within 7 minutes, blow dried her hair, and this is after using the aloe vera shampoo that I made. So April's hair, as you can see, I want you guys to see, it's fried. She's colored this hair till she can't color it anymore. And so we got some work cut out for us, but basically I just wanted to show you what the aloe vera shampoo can do to hair that is really kind of damaged, very dry. And now I am actually going to curl our hair and let you guys see the end results.
I can touch it now? Okay, thanks. Oh gosh. So I was telling you earlier, my scalp it doesn't feel dry and it doesn't feel cakey. Like I've got a whole bunch of buildup on it.
Mm-hmm.
My hair's so soft. I'm so excited. Sorry. It doesn't feel like it has no life. I don't know the exact wording for it, but I absolutely love it. It doesn't look frizzy at all, actually.
There is no frizz in that hair.
Because I usually have to put product in it.
And we put,
Did
we put any product in your hair?
No product whatsoever.
We didn't put any product. It was just the aloe vera shampoo and a conditioner.
It's absolutely
blow dry in style.
It's amazing.
The shine is amazing. I'll say here, this hair has a beautiful shine. It has body. I need you to shake it for me.
I just want to go somewhere.
You gotta go somewhere now. Listen, you gotta go somewhere. This hair is gorgeous as it is.
Do my face and go somewhere. I love it.
Okay.
It feels fantastic.
Okay, so now I need that.
And I can only imagine really taking care of my hair long term with this kind of shampoo, because I was telling you what kind of shampoo I use. It just doesn't feel dry. I've never been able to run my fingers through my hair like this without them getting stuck. Without them getting stuck. Oh.
Okay.
This is fantastic.
Love it. Okay.
Yes. Yay. I'll be touching my hair all day.
Oh wow.
Right?
That is gorgeous.
Right?
That feels nice.
And it normally feels like straw.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So you're next. You're my next model.
I'm so excited.
Okay.